We're going to start with the right hand thumb P on the 6th string. Then we're going to play with our I finger index on the 3rd string, our M finger middle on the 2nd, and our A finger ring on the 1st. So 6P, 3I, 2M, 1A. Now we're going to go to the 5th string, thumb P, I on the 3rd, M on the 2nd, and A on the 1st. So again, P on the 5, I on the 3rd, M on the 2nd, and A on the 1. Then we're going to move to the 4th string with our thumb P, I on the 3rd, M on 2nd, and A on 1st. So again, that's P, I, M, A. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to do this in succession. So we're going to play P on 6, 3, 2, 1, 5, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 6 to end it. Now if we take a G major chord, a C major chord, and a D major chord, and when we play the ring finger, our 1st finger, we're going to switch chords after that string is plucked. So to demonstrate, we have a G major chord, our left hand. We're going to play 6, 3, 2, 1, and now we're going to switch to C major with the left hand and play 5, 3, 2, 1, and now we're going to switch to D major and play 4, 3, 2, 1, and then you can go back to G and play the 6th string. So that's a 1-4-5 progression. G, C, and D major. Let's play that again. So it's 6, 3, 2, 1, 5, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thumb, index, middle, ring, thumb, index, middle, ring, thumb, index, middle, ring, thumb. This is an introduction to fingerstyle guitar and the traditional right hand picking pattern. First we need to understand the labeling of the fingers. P is our thumb, I is our index, M is our middle, A is our ring, and the pinky is labeled as C, however we won't be using that. So the thumb is going to play the 6th, 5th, and 4th strings. The index is going to play the 3rd string. The middle is going to play the 2nd, and the ring is going to play the 1st. So you have thumb on 6th, E, thumb on the 5th string, A, thumb on the 4th string, D, index on the 3rd string, I, middle on the 2nd string, M, B, and then A, the ring finger on the 1st string. So we're going to start with the thumb on the 6th string, the thumb on the 5th string, the thumb on the 4th string, index on the 3rd string, the middle on the 2nd string, and the ring on the 1st string. So now if we were to go off of the letters of the fingers, we have P6, P5, P4, I3, M2, and A1. P, 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 I, M, A. So now we can also not only play ascending but descending. So lower to higher and higher to lower. Okay, so 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now descending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. P, 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 I, M, A, M, I, P, P, P. We're going to start with our thumb, and we're going to place it on the 6th string, our lowest string, and we're going to play just the thumb by pressing against the string and letting it go towards the ground, like so. Stop the string.